Welcome to Arasampalayam Panchayat that falls within Kinathakadavu block in Coimbatore district in Tamil Nadu. This industrious panchayat started functioning in the year 1984, spread over 2 habitations and 9 wards. As per the population census reported during 2011, it has 3,818 people. Among them, 1,894 are male and 1,924 are female. This panchayat has been nominated to Ministry of Panchayat Raj due to the progressive implementation of modern accounting application in practicing e-governance. Apart from the launching of a user-friendly web portal named eGram Swaraj, which assures better transparency in planning, progress reporting and proper accounting systems. Key achievements of Arasampalayam Panchayat are the empowerment of the rural people by involving them in local administration, maintaining transparency in accounting, in addition to asking people for suggestions with the help of a WhatsApp group. Panchayat also keeps them informed on a day-to-day basis of all activities and schemes offered by the state and central for people's welfare and progress. This Panchayat is registered in government's websites through mobile apps such as NMMS, Bhuvan, Thitam, PMAY, M-Action Soft, Har Ghar Jal, Housing for All, Namagram Sabha, Awas Plus, Nursing, Jal Dur, etc. Some of the other noteworthy achievements of this Panchayat are as following. In Karacheri village, few works have been undertaken under the Mahatma Gandhi Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, such as cleaning of the Porambokku land adjacent to the burial ground during the year 2022-2023, and the expenses are as following. Land recovery and cleaning at an estimated cost of 8.05 lakhs. Around 1,600 tree saplings comprising of different varieties were planted following the Miyawaki method at a cost of 5.97 lakhs. Fencing of Miyawaki plantation was done using biofencing method with Illuvai trees surrounding the field at a cost of 5.76 lakhs. Apart from the above, a pond was created using MGNREGS in the Miyawaki forest at a cost of 7.40 lakhs. In addition, 2 concrete check dams were constructed at a cost of 10.62 lakhs. With the result, the groundwater level has become better and the 3 bore wells and 1 open well in this vicinity has been charged with water from these check dams. Some of the challenges faced here is the lack of awareness on e-governance initiatives, low level of education where the illiterate comprise almost 30% of the total population, poor access to digital technology and lack of e-governance and its benefits. They are dependent on the people around for all information and to use technology. In order to make them competent, they have to be initially made literate to understand the scope and purpose of e-governance. In order to overcome the above-mentioned difficulties, a team of rural development officials along with Panchayat Council members and Secretary are working together to digitize all the manual records in Panchayat. This will greatly help them to store the data and retrieve them conveniently as and when needed. This is the first step towards using e-governance. The Panchayat Secretary constantly creates an awakening among the village residents upon the advantages of being literate and using digital media for overall betterment of their livelihood. In addition to the above effort, the stakeholders of this Panchayat, namely the Panchayat officials, council members, rural development officers, secretaries were given training through RIRD Training Institute at village public distribution shops, which has the smart card machine with thumb sensor. Similarly, the Agriculture Department has the Ulavan app for people usage in order to get subsidies and other support connected to agriculture. The self-help group members are trained to manage the e-Sevai Mayam in the villages to help the people get government birth, death, community and income certificates etc. using digital technology. All the above programs and initiatives has yielded good result among the village people living in Arasampalayam. Their economy has grown steadily through networking and use of digital services offered through these e-Seva centers. They are slowly becoming independent and confident in order to make use of the e-governance system and to reap rich benefits through the same. The land taxes are to be computerized in this current year to enable them to have easy access to the facility and also to save time.